Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien? Very good. All right, my name is Divya, and before we dive in as to what will we study today, I want to know why are you studying French? Well, French is the most spoken language in the world apart from English. Wherever you go in the world, people will be speaking French, right? It is spoken by 220 million people in the world. Number two, it's the most romantic language. And number three, if you plan to migrate to Europe or Canada, this is the language for you. Okay, let's get into the video. So we have learned quite a lot of things. We've learned alphabets, greetings, hello, bonjour, comment allez-vous, comment ça va. I'm sure you remember all of those. If you don't, then you can please go check out my previous videos. The link will be in the description of the playlist. These are again greetings, days of the week, months of the year, colors, and articles. So we'll revise the articles again. And there are three types of article: the article défini, the article indéfini, and the article partitive. Article défini is le, la, le, les. Le apostrophe is because if there's a vowel, if the word is starting with a vowel, then we'll put L apostrophe. In article indéfini, there's un, un, they, a, and some. And in article partitive is du, the, la, the, le, des. Some of the. So we'll again revise that. Article défini is le, la, le, les. It means the. For any object in French, there has to be an article in front. It's not like that in English, but in French it's like that. So we'll go by that. So le, la, le apostrophe and les. Les is a plural. Article indéfini is un, un, they, un and some. Article partitive is du, the, la, the, L apostrophe, des. Some. It means some. Some of the examples are un livre, a book, a portion, a serving, des frites, some fries, un oignon, an onion, une pomme, an apple. Example for definite articles: le bateau est grand, the boat is big. La souris c'est petite. So la souris is because it's feminine. Le apostrophe because it's starting with E. La bibliothèque est ouverte. The library is open. So like that. These are again some examples. We'll just read two. J'aime le concombre. I like the cucumber. The partitive article would be je mange du concombre. It means I ate some cucumber. So first one said I like it. This one says I have eaten some. Indefinite articles means je achète un cucumber. I have bought a cucumber. Right? So this is again French greeting. This is more elaborate. I'll just touch upon few of them. For the name, je m'appelle, il s'appelle. Il s'appelle means his name is. Elle s'appelle, her name is. Age, j'ai 4 ans. It means I am 4 years old. Il a 4 ans. It means he is 7 years old. Elle a 10 ans. It means she is 10 years old. When you have to say about my birthday, mon anniversary, c'est là. You can say whenever your birthday falls. So my birthday is on. Then it is my family. Un frère, it means one brother. Un sœur, one sister. Mon demi-frère, my half sister. Ma demi-sœur, my half sister. Ma mère, my mom. Mon père, my dad. Qui s'appelle, who is called. Qui s'appellent, who are called. Plural. Right? So like that. So before we move forward, we'll talk about a little bit about the numbers, because numbers हमेशा काम आते हैं, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these. Obviously it is 1 to 10, 0 to 10 actually. It is 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sees, saith, we, na, these. Then 11 is owns, 12 is do's, threes, kathors, cans, sees, these saith, these we, these na, van. Van is 20. Okay? Again we'll repeat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is 1 to 20. So 21 will be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 is 30. And 31 is 31. And like so on so forth. 50 is 50. 51 is 50 et un. See the similarity between 20 et un and 50 et un. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, so on. Again, that's 60, 61. Look at the similarity between 50 et un and saison et un. It's not et, actually it's un. Saison et un. Saison 2, saison 3, saison 4, saison 5, saison 6, saison 7, saison 8, saison 9. So we have again touched upon the articles and we have done the counting, right? I will touch upon in the next episode few other things, and we will emphasize on the pronunciation and on more grammar, especially verbs like être and avoir that is used in every sentence. So we have to get a hang of it, right? I'll just give you a little introduction. So here this is être. Être means to be and avoir is to have. Être, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. It means I am, you are, he is, she is. Avoir, j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. I have, you have, he has, she has. So these are the verbs and we use them with everything in French in every sentence. So I'm going to be touching upon them later on. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for subscribing and liking my videos. It means the world. Thank you so much. Take care.